Good morning, everybody. Mr. Sulik here, broadcasting live from my kitchen with my buddy Watt here. Had an addition to our family on Friday. We got a puppy. He is a golden retriever, an Irish cream. Picked him up on Friday. He's just over 8 weeks old, and he wanted to be part of the video today. So he is adjusting to his life in our house, but it's been a lot of fun over the weekend. So you'll probably see him again on the video on Thursday. But right now we're trying to potty train him. So I just thought I would share that with you. As far as STEM work, the rest of this week, first of all, we've made it. You know, this is the last week of school, the absolute home stretch of things. Gonna keep things really light this week. And in fact, the assignment today that I post is not something that you should work on if you haven't finished your Newton project yet, okay? That takes priority, okay? So make sure that you are working on that. The due dates today, I am going to move the due date to Wednesday, okay? All work for STEM. The cutoff time is 3 o'clock on Wednesday. I've been updating things in Google Classroom and in Skyward. A lot of you were busy over the weekend getting things turned in, so I plan to get that done as well. I'm going to let Watt down here. All right, there you go, bud. So get that work in. I've seen some really creative projects as far as what you're doing for your Newton project. Remember, that can basically take on just about any format. I've had folks make something with a poster board, take a picture of it, Google Slides. I've had a couple people do brochures. I've seen some really cool videos. If it's easiest for you to email me your project, that works. It'd be better if you could do it through Google Classroom, but I realize for some that is a little bit of a barrier. So email works as well. But again, the due date on that is 3 o'clock tomorrow. I will be posting something on Thursday, and it's an optional exit survey. Probably take you 5 minutes to get done. Really important, trying to look for some feedback. Trying to get feedback from you guys as far as some things that that I could implement into our STEM classes for next year, and then also in the future. So again, it's an optional survey. Certainly will not be graded. It's an anonymous thing too, so don't feel like if some of the feedback gets a little bit more constructive that it's part of your grade. It's not at all. Rather just more beneficial for me. But again, that'll be optional. I'll post it on Thursday. As far as your assignment for today, it's a short EdPuzzle in the midst of really all the bad news that's been going on. And if you paid attention to current events, or maybe your family is involved, you've seen some of the things that have been going on in the news on top of everything going on with the coronavirus. There hasn't been a lot of positive news, but I think this is something that's really positive. And it's a program that was put together called the SpaceX program. Elon Musk, who owns a number of different companies, probably most famously for developing or starting the company Tesla, has developed a space exploration program. In 2010, NASA began exploring. Basically, they were running out of money to continue running with their space program. NASA is a federal space exploration program, and they started soliciting or looking for private companies to assist with funding and technology. And Musk and his engineers were sort of the head of the class as far as trying to get this thing off the board. So anyway, it's a really short video. It's like 2.5 minutes. There's 4 multiple choice questions over here, and then there'll be an open-ended question at the end. Again, just like with the last EdPuzzle, when you're done in Google Classroom, just click it as finished. Make sure that you actually watch the video, because I still go back through and look through EdPuzzle. Hey, what did you get for a score? But really, it's just more of a highlight video of this program. Very short information, doesn't get into a ton of depth, but I think it's something positive related to what we're doing in class, and it certainly applies to current events. So again, in short, Edpuzzle assignment today, 4 or 5 questions. Don't work on this unless you have your project done. That takes priority. Moving the project due date to Wednesday at 3 o'clock. Please reach out to me if that is an issue. That's a biggie. That's that assignment probably counts. It's a 3-time thing, so it's not just 4 points. It's actually 12 points. So you want to make sure that you get that in. I am cutting off grades at 3 o'clock tomorrow. I want to make sure that everything gets posted by Friday. I will be posting something on Thursday. It'll be more of an exit survey, and I appreciate if you can give me some feedback. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll see you on Thursday.